When Mount Pinatubo erupted in 1991, volcanic mud flow or lahar engulfed several barangays. Eventually, lahar proved to be an effective ingredient in concrete mixtures, prompting a lucrative industry of sand quarrying. But the system allowed only the private businesses to benefit, an issue then aspiring Governor Eddie Panlilio promised to address.
Nang sa ganun mapahusay, mapasinog ang pagsasagawa ng quarry operation sa Pampanga. Nang sa ganun mabigyan ng tindang protection ang kapaligiran. Kasama nito yung mga kalsada. At ganun din para makapagpasok siya ng income, ng pagkakitaan sa probinsya.
Under Pandillo's governance, BALAS, an acronym for Biyaya, Aluluguran at Sisikapan Committee, was created. BALAS, also Kapampangan for sand, ensures the province's profits by charging 300 pesos per quarrying truck. While half of the income covers operational costs, the other half is distributed among municipalities, barangays, and the province itself to fund developmental projects. Further ensuring the project's success are streamlined recording systems, the transparency and accountability of checkers, and the involvement of the Provincial Mining and Regulatory Board, the Environment and Natural Resources Office or ENRO, and the Pampangueños themselves. In just 2.5 years, BALAS was able to earn a gross amount of more than 500 million pesos, an increase in profits accompanied by an increase in employment. Of this amount, 183 million pesos have been distributed to municipalities and barangays where quarry operations are located.
Nakapag-employ ang Kapitolyo ng more than 200 staff. Kasama na dito yung mga quarry checkers, quarry monitors, office staff. Inactivate namin yung staff ng ENRO. Sila ang tumitingin at nag-aanalisa kung ito ang mga ordinansa at batas ng ating pamahalaan ay nagagampanan patungkol sa quarry dito sa Pampanga.
Miriam, a widow, relies on her job as a quarry checker to raise her 3 children. She is grateful for the positive impact BALAS has made, not only on her life, but also on her co-Pampangueños.
Ang BALAS, kung wala yan, hindi namin alam na ang dami palang yaman ng Pampanga. Ang dami palang mina. Marami po ang nakikinabang sa BALAS. Una na yung maraming scholars na pinapaaral niya ng BALAS at ang mga barangay, especially those sakop ng mga sources na kinukunan.
Dati po yung barangay hall namin, one lang, kugod lang. Naipatayo po namin itong barangay hall, nakabili po ako ng ambulansya, motor pool, mga multipurpose. At saka po yung stage doon sa Mangkachan Elementary School. Nakapagpatayo po kami ng daycare center, barangay health center.
Porac, one of those badly affected by lahar, has been able to buy a hectare of land to be distributed among its original dwellers, who have seen their town transform from wasteland into promised land. For promising seems to be the best word to describe the province that has literally risen from the ashes.
What looks like a curse could be a blessing, na dati ang pagtingin dito ay pinsala o sumpa o curse, na ngayon lumilitaw na siya ay nagbibigay ng hanap buhay o nag-aalay ng buhay para sa probinsya, para sa mga Kapampangan.
Sa malikhaing paraan, sa paraang maliit, kasama ang mamamaya'y pagsama, pagbabago na lantad na pagbabago, tuloy-tuloy na pag-unlad, tuloy-tuloy na pag-asenso.